Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market and huge green day in the stock market. In the last 2 days, we've seen the biggest 2-day gain in the stock market since 2020. Okay, we see Twitter up 22% after Elon Musk says that he's going to buy Twitter at $54 per share. We now see Twitter sitting at $51 per share. So in this video, we're going to be talking all about the Twitter and Elon Musk deal and see if it's a good idea to be getting in, if it's a little bit over leveraged, if it's too late, if it's going to be going down, or if there's going to be some buying opportunities in the future. And just so you don't miss out on any of the fine details, make sure you stay throughout the entire video. So starting off real quick, I think Twitter stock should be around $30 per share. Just taking a step back and considering that Twitter stock is outperforming the S&P 500 right now. Obviously, that's just because of the Elon Musk news. Here we can also see Elon Musk is overpaying for Twitter by a huge amount. Here's the math. If we scroll down, we can see that Elon Musk plans to buy Twitter for $44 billion, the original price that he agreed on back in April. The world's richest man is likely wishing he waited a few months to sign the contract. When Elon Musk proposed buying Twitter for $54.20, some observers wondered if Twitter would even accept the offer. Twitter stock was trading for $39 on April 1st. The Friday before Musk disclosed a stake in the social media firm, the shares have traded at a high of $68 per share in October 2021. We all remember that when Twitter absolutely skyrocketed. Now it looks like Twitter shareholders are getting a favorable deal when Musk is overpaying by a large sum. Since Musk disclosed his Twitter stake, the start of his takeover journey, the S&P 500 has fallen nearly 17%, and it's even worse for tech stocks. The Nasdaq is down 22% over that time. Social media firms have been struggling, especially. Shares of Meta or Facebook, which owns Instagram and Facebook, is down 38% since April 1st, while shares of Snapchat are down 71%. The sharp declines have followed pullbacks in advisor sentiment as brands react as a worsening macroeconomic environment. Rising interest rate, inflations, and the war on Ukraine have also weighed companies broadly. Okay, if you watch the video right before this one, we go over Facebook and the real reason it fell. And it has to do with advertising, so make sure you watch the video from Sunday if you missed that one. Twitter stock closed at $52 per share on Tuesday after Musk disclosed he planned to close his Twitter acquisition at the agreed upon $54.20. At the deal price, Musk is paying nearly 8 times the amount of revenue Twitter is expected to generate over the next 12 months. That compares with sales multiple of just 3 times for Meta and 3.6 times of Snapchat. Okay, put it another way, Musk is paying more than double the current valuation of Twitter's main rivals. At the sales multiple in line with Meta and Snap, Musk would be paying more like $24 per share for Twitter. So if you take something like Meta stock or Snapchat stock and compare that against Twitter, Twitter stock should be only around $25 per share, which is absolutely absurd to be thinking about Elon Musk paying twice the amount on Twitter that he should have been. Also, if we type in Tesla stock, we can see that Tesla has been taking a hit because of this. We can see it's down 12% in the last week. And just yesterday, it was down 10% or more. Kathy Woods was caught buying a large sum of Tesla stock. Obviously, she's a long-term investor. I'm also a long-term investor, so I ended up buying another 0.5 shares yesterday. In my opinion, I think Tesla's still one of the most undervalued stocks if you're looking at a 10-year horizon. If you're a super long-term investor, Tesla is definitely one of the best stocks in the stock market. However, I do think that they can trade under $200 per share again. That's why I don't have too much money in Tesla stock as of just yet. I also have more. I have like 5 other shares on my longer term accounts, but I really want to load up on Tesla between $150 and $200 per share, which I definitely think is possible to see those prices in the short to midterm. Tesla shareholders are worried that if Musk bought Twitter, he would be less focused on the management duties at Tesla. The world's market leader in electric vehicles, Tesla shares were down about 25% from April 25th when Twitter accepted Musk's offer, taking over and considering it for a few days. We also saw that in an email on Tuesday said that Musk could sell another 2 billion to 3 billion of Tesla stock, but the worst is in the rearview mirror in terms of his sale with Twitter deal. This has been a nightmare overhanging that is at the late stages of ending. And remember, we also saw Elon Musk sell $20 billion of Tesla stock over the past 6 months through April. Then in early August, he sold another $7 billion of Tesla stock in case he lost the case. He told his Twitter followers that he would buy Tesla shares if he didn't have to buy Twitter. Okay, so that's why it's also bearish for Tesla, because if he didn't have to buy this Twitter deal, then he would have poured more money into Tesla stock, owning more Tesla, being more bullish on Tesla and more hands-on in Tesla as well, which every holder of Tesla wants to see Mr. Elon Musk, the CEO, the richest man in the world, buy more shares of Tesla. Why wouldn't you? We also saw that Elon Musk tweeted in response to a question that he was selling the shares in August to have extra room in case the deal went through, and hopefully the unlikely event that Twitter forces this deal to close and some equity partners don't come through, it is important to avoid an emergency sale of Tesla stock. Okay, so this is a big thing to consider. And as a Tesla holder, you definitely have to be wary that since the deal now closed, the question may arise that Elon Musk pays $54 billion for Twitter. He now officially owns Twitter, but does he have to sell another $10 billion of Tesla stock, for example? Only time will tell. And if that does happen, you can see Tesla stock drop around 10% or more in a single day. We also have Tesla earnings coming up this month as well. Remember, there was a lot of hype around April when Elon first announced his takeover of Twitter, and then things absolutely sold off to around $35 per share and lower. So I wouldn't be shocked if we can pick up Twitter stock again around $45 to $35 per share in the near-term future. And I even put right here, just a reminder of what happened in the past. I'm waiting to buy personally. And then we see Elon putting a new tweet out just 9 minutes ago. Buying Twitter is an accelerant to creating X, the everything app. Okay, and this could easily take out something like Amazon in the future. I definitely wouldn't be doubting Elon Musk. You know, he could even be changing the app's name from Twitter to something else if he's the 100% owner of Twitter. So lots of big things could happen. And he can definitely take this app and just social media in general to the next level. So anything Elon is doing, I definitely want to be a part of. And I'm sure there's hundreds of millions of other people that have the same mindset. Anything Elon's doing, they want to be a part of also. So we can see Twitter getting a huge influx of cash. That's why I wouldn't mind picking up a few shares, especially if we see Twitter trading around $45 to $35 once again. So there is a lot to think about and a lot to consider over the next few weeks with Tesla, Elon Musk, and Twitter stock and everything in between. We're all in it together, so make sure you subscribe with post notifications on so you don't miss out on any other future uploaded videos. Also, share this video with a friend if you think that they will find it beneficial, if they own Tesla stock or if they own Twitter stock or if they're just an Elon Musk fan. Thank you guys for all the love and support. Make sure you DM me if you want to get on my close friends list, my private trading group. I respond to every single DM on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.